Welcome to my channel product review top 5. Here are the top 5 green laser level. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 5. Green Laser Level. The Huber 8 Lines Laser Level is an excellent tool for precise alignment and leveling tasks. With 360 degrees horizontal and vertical coverage, it projects bright green lines for superior visibility indoors and outdoors. The self-leveling function ensures accuracy, while the included laser receiver extends working range. The sturdy tripod provides stable setup for professional use. Ideal for construction, tiling, and framing, this laser level offers great value, durability, and precision for both DE enthusiasts and contractors. Number 4. Green Laser Level. The Clubiona 16 Lines Laser Level is a highly accurate and efficient tool for professional and DE alignment tasks. Featuring 360 degrees self-leveling green beams, it offers bright and clear visibility even in daylight. The 4000 mAh Li-ion battery provides long-lasting performance, while the included remote control adds convenience during operation. With pulse mode support for outdoor use, this laser level ensures precision in leveling tiling and framing projects, a reliable, durable, and user-friendly choice for any workspace. Number 3. Green Laser Level. The Huber HM03CG 3D Cross-Line Laser Level is a reliable and precise tool for both professionals and DE users. It projects bright green laser lines with excellent visibility even in bright conditions. The self-leveling feature ensures accuracy, while the pulse mode supports outdoor use with a receiver. Its rechargeable Li-ion battery offers long working hours, and the included hard case provides great protection and portability. Ideal for construction, tiling, and interior alignment tasks with top performance and durability. Number 2. Green Laser Level. The Huber 703CG 12 Lines 3D Laser Level offers exceptional accuracy and visibility with its bright green beams, ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. Featuring self-leveling and 360 degrees coverage, it ensures precise alignment for walls, ceilings, and tiles. The rechargeable Li-ion battery provides long-lasting performance, while its durable design enhances reliability on job sites. With adjustable brightness and easy operation, the 703CG is a professional-grade tool perfect for builders, decorators, and DE enthusiasts seeking accuracy and convenience. Number 1. Green Laser Level. The Huber 704CG 16 Lines Laser Level delivers outstanding accuracy and visibility with its 4D self-leveling green beams. Its 360 degrees coverage makes it ideal for both horizontal and vertical alignment tasks. The bright green laser lines are highly visible even in daylight, ensuring precision in construction or interior work. Powered by a durable Li-ion battery, it offers long working hours and quick recharging. Compact, robust, and easy to operate, the 704CG is perfect for professional builders and DE enthusiasts alike. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.